Dak 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 with Mora and EU. Powered by Zed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, what's up sa inyo mga basketbolera? Here we are again with Dakdakan Podcast. I am with EU and we are under production. And we are very much helped by our editor and producer.
And director.
Zed.
Yeah.
And for today's video, Zed has actually prepared something special for us. EU, if you can guide our viewers and the rest of, actually tayo na rin, kung ano yung in store for us today.
So yun, ang aming director, executive producer, graphic artist, and videographer na si Zed.
All around, pare.
Yeah. Cameraman, lahat na. Yun, he created a quiz that will test us on our knowledge with regards to Olympic basketball history. Considering na, yun nga, magsisimula or yun na, Paris Olympics na. And kaya 24 to kasi nasa 2024 na tayo. And to celebrate the 2024 Olympics, yun, nagbigay siya ng 24 hard mode trivia questions about Olympic basketball. And
24 hard mode, pare. Trivia questions.
And ang nabanggit nila sa amin
pare, go.
Sobrang hirap daw. And wala kami idea kung ano yung mga tanong. So dahil
sobrang wala.
Pinangunahan na kami na mahirap. Noong una, actually, dapat magkatunggali kami ni Mora. Pero naisip namin, hindi. Sabay naming bubunuin nung paghihirapan tong mga pinagtatanong ni Zed. So, pag-usapan namin yung sagot. Kung may makuha kami yung sagot, susulatan namin. Kung wala, hindi. As for the time, siguro okay na yung 30 seconds na pag-usapan natin at ano. Unless kailangan namin maglista o maraming isusulat.
Mm-hmm.
Pero yun na yun. So,
pare, pag nag-duel tayo dito, i-celebrate natin yung Paris Olympics with Diwata Paris.
No. Baka naman, sponsored yun. Sponsor.
Diwata Paris, baka naman.
Yeah. So, ready ka na, Mora?
Pare, game na. Simulan na natin ang hard mode trivia questions. Let's go, Zed. So, the first Olympic basketball game was held in Berlin in 1936. It was done not in a basketball court, but in what sports court? Pare, mahirap nga. First question pa lang to, ha? Victoria Court ba? Ay, ano ba?
Ang naisip ko, lawn tennis?
Ako rin, pare, tennis court din ang inisip ko. Tennis court? Said, tama ba kami?
Final na ba? Sige, yun na. Yun na? Sure na ba?
Ano yung iniisip, pare? Said, tama ba kami sa tennis court? Oy!
One point. Kasi yun na talaga yung naisip ko eh. So, okay.
Sige, pare, go. Number 2.
During the 1936 games, which famous and important basketball figure presented the medals to the winning teams? Ako, dahil sa wording, famous and important, naisip ko si Naismith, no?
Pare, alam mo siya lang din naisip ko, legit.
Parang, dali.
Buhay pa ba siya noong 1936?
Feel ko. Oo.
Said boy pa ba si Naismith noong 1936?
Kasi, wala naman tayong alam na basketball figure pre-NBA. Meron ba? Wala naman tayong alam.
Feeling ko si ano yan, Commissioner Narvasa.
Wait,
Joke.
baka naisip ko kasi
Commissioner
kung
Smart.
1936 sa Munich to.
Commissioner
Baka pero basketball figure eh. So sige. Si James
Yao Ming.
Naismith.
Feeling ko Yao Ming.
Sure na ba tayo?
Hey!
I was about to say someone else kasi naisip ko nasa Berlin siya pero baka makancel tayo. So, huwag na. Okay, 2 points.
Yun natin mag-usapan dun. Okay.
Next.
The US had their first loss in Olympic play during the 1972 Olympic men's basketball gold medal game. In one of the most controversial events in Olympic history, with 3 seconds left in the gold medal game, this American forward sank 2 free throws after being hit hard by a Soviet player who took the Americans up 50-49. The Soviets inbounded the ball and failed to score. Soviet coaches claimed that they had requested a timeout before this forward's foul shots. Ay, hindi pa siya tapos. The referee the clock reset to 3 seconds in the game's final seconds replayed. The Soviets missed the pass, but the final 3 seconds were replayed for a third time. This time, they were able to score for the winning points as the buzzer sounded. The US players refused their silver medals. Who was? The American forward that sank both free throws. Clue, long-time NBA head coach siya. Naging coach pa siya ng The Goat. Depende na kung sino yung goat mo, pare.
Hindi. Alam ko goat ni Zed eh.
Feeling ko si ano yan.
Kilala ko yung nakashoot para sa Soviets. Si Sergey Belov.
Si Larry Brown yan, bro. Kasi pero, goat si Alberson eh.
Ang naisip ko, actually isa lang naalala kong member ng 1972.
Doug Collins.
And, yun nga. Tama.
Okay.
So, yun na ba? Yun lang. Kasi naging coach naman siya and naging coach ni Jordan. So,
hey! Doug Collins, kapatid ni Phil Collins, pare.
I can feel it calling.
After, in fairness, 3 points na tayo, bro. 3 out of 3. So, sige, number 4. Let's go.
After 1989, pro athletes were allowed to compete in the Olympics. The US Dream Team was assembled. Name as many Dream Team players as you can. Wala na yung most wins the point.
So, feeling ko kailangan natin kompletuhin. Kasi 2 na tayo eh. Sige.
Naalala ko yung Jordan.
Larry Bird.
Magic Johnson.
Ay, sorry. Magic Johnson.
Magic.
John Stock. Ay, hindi siya kasama. Ay, kasama siya. Kasama siya. Sorry, ang iniisip ko si Isaiah. My bad.
Yun ang hindi kasama.
Yun nga ang hindi kasama. Malone. Reggie? Wala ba?
Hindi pa.
Clyde? Ay? Clyde, diba?
Drexler. Barkley.
Ewing.
Alam ko may college player sila si...
si ano pre?
Si Leitner. Christian Leitner. Ang nakalista na sa akin, Sham.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 na rin ako.
Sino pa?
May Shaq ba? Wala, no? Hakim sa kabila.
Hakim?
Si center nila.
Hakim? Hindi ba si...
Hakim, no?
Nandito na kasi si Ewing. Ay, wait, iniisip ko. Molin, nandito si Molin.
Molin, tama.
Chris Molin.
10 na.
Sino po ba? Shucks. Si Peyton ba nandito? Hindi.
Di Andre? sorry.
Dapat alam ko ito lahat. Mapatay na ko ito bigid eh.
Wait lang. So we have Jordan, we have Bird, we have Magic, we have Stockton, Malone, Drexler, Barkley, Ewing, Leitner, and Mullen. So we have 10 right now. Ilan ba yung total ng Dream Team players?
Ito 12.
Said 12 ba?
Hindi, 12 yan, 12.
May dalawa pa tayo hinihintay. Hinihintay wala.
Dalawa tayo hinihintay. Reggie Miller nga ba? Si Pippen. Siya naman.
Pippen!
Anak ng week.
Isa-isa ko na yung mga teams no time na yun kahit di pa ako buhay eh.
Boston, Chicago, Cleveland, Charlotte, Dallas, Denver, Detroit.
Wala ba yung shooter ng Cleveland?
Sino?
Point guard.
Si Price.
Price. Wala ba?
Dallas, Denver, Detroit, Golden State, Houston.
Yo. Isa na lang. Guys, kung yung hindi namin maalala, comment nyo kung naisip nyo. Kasi comment nyo ngayon. Pag pinakita kami pangalan na maalala, sabihin na unahan nyo kami.
Reggie Miller.
Yun yung iniisip ko kanina pa eh. Hindi ba?
Lakers, Clippers.
Wait, isa-search ko lang. De, joke lang.
Miami, Minnesota, Milwaukee, New York, New Jersey.
Starks. Hindi, wala si Starks eh.
Si Wilkins ba?
Parang wala si Wilkins, bro.
Dominic.
Guys, comment nyo nga kung nando si Wilkins o wala.
Pati ko kilala.
Sid, bigyan mo naman kami ng clue kung isa na lang yung iniisip namin.
Isa na lang daw. Sinabi niya, isa na lang daw eh. Nilagay na sa banner.
Hindi ko nakita. Isa na lang. Center, pare. Center. Shaq yata eh, hindi ba? Ibang year ba si Shaq? Ano kung may USA jersey si Shaq eh?
Baka si Hakim nga. Si Hakim
pare, dream team eh. So the dream is there.
Si Hakim. Dali, recap natin. Ito yung 12.
Guys, ito yung 12 namin ah. So we have Jordan, we have Bird, we have Magic, we have Stockton, Malone, Drexler, Barkley, Ewing, Christian Leitner, Mullen, Pippen, and Hakeem Olajuwon.
Pippen.
Pare Pinoy. Pippen.
Check natin. Sige.
Tama ba, Sed?
Tama ba? Late. Wala si Hakeem.
Wala nga si Hakeem.
David Robinson.
Admiral nandun.
Oh no. My bad.
Okay lang. Hindi ko rin may David Pomeranz may isip.
Sa kapatid ko.
So 4 out of 5. 3 out of 4. Sige, pare.
Sige. During the 2000 Sydney Olympics, Le Dunk de la Mort happened, the dunk of death. Vince Carter dunked over this French 7'2" center, who was the player he dunked over.
Alam mo yan. Actually, kilala ko lang sa dulo lang ng dila ko eh.
Kilala ko.
Okay, kilala ni EU. Si ano to?
Hindi kasi siya nag-NBA.
Hindi nga siya nag-NBA.
Si Wembanyama yung si Alexis Ajinça. Si Kevin Serafin din.
Yun! Frederick Weiss.
Yan.
Hey! 4 out of 5.
Hindi
Let's
napansin.
go. Number 6. The USA has won 7 out of the 8 last Olympics. Which country has won gold in the last 28 years? Clue? They defeated Team USA in the semifinals of that year.
Alam mo yan.
Hindi ko alam kung tama yun nasa isip ko eh.
Ano?
Is it Spain?
Ay, hindi. Hindi. Sige. I'll coax it out of you. Alam ko yung sagot, pero sige. Nag-isipan mo, pre.
Wait lang, iniisip ko eh. Anong year to? Maalala mo?
2004.
Oh shit, 2004.
Athens. Atin to.
Spain. Ano lang yun? Spain, Argentina. Ano pa yung isa? May isa pang malakas ng time na yun eh.
You're getting there.
Spain, Argentina.
10 seconds. 10, 9, 8.
Sige pare, para walang lal. Ikaw na sumagot.
Argentina.
Tama ba Argentina? Okay.
Yan.
Tinalo nila sa finals ng Spain. Tama ba?
Italy ang tinalo nila sa finals.
Oh, okay.
Yung Argentina na may Ginobili, Scola.
Sige, number 7.
Oh, 2008 Redeem Team. The 2008 US team was nicknamed the Redeem Team because they came away with the disappointing bronze medals during the 2004 and 2006. The 2004 Olympics and the World Championships. Who was the only non-all-star player in that team? Clue. He was a one-time NBA champ and 4 times NBA All-Defensive Team.
Wait lang. May question ako. Hindi siya all-star nung time na yon. Tama ba, Sed? Just to clarify. Never siya naging all-star.
Ang naisip ko. One-time NBA champ.
Akala ko si Anthony Davis eh.
Ang naisip ko,
never siya naging all-star.
Ang naisip ko lang si Tyson Chandler.
Oh, that makes sense.
Pero naano ko dun sa all defensive second team eh. Kasi alam ko nag-DPOY siya eh.
DPOY siya eh. Bro, pero hindi ba nung time na nag-DPOY siya, yun yung
second team lang siya?
Parang yun eh. Kasi Knicks yun eh. Fan ako ni Melo, kaya naalala ko yan eh.
Pero agree tayo na si Tyson Chandler.
Wala ako ibang maisip.
Sige.
Never siya nag-all-star. Never siya nag-all-star.
Tyson Chandler. Oh! Damn!
Wait, wala sa Redeem Team si Tyson Chandler.
2010 pa pala siya. O baka kasi sabihin ng mga nanonood.
Naging all-star si Tyson Chandler. Pero nasa Redeem Team ba siya?
Wala.
Ang alam ko rin wala eh. Ngayon ko lang naisip.
2012 pa siya. Hala, nakubo na ako.
So, dalawa, 6 out of 8 so far. Number 8, from 1992 to 2008, this country has played the bronze medal game every time. They won 3 bronze medals. Which European team is this? 1992 to 2008.
Ang naisip ko,
ako naisip ko Argentina.
European team. Naisip ko France. Panahon ni Tony Parker.
Oo nga, no, hindi pala. Americas pa lang, Argentina.
Either France or Serbia. Pero parang mas France.
Pero
Kasi,
1992-2008, wala pang Serbia nun eh. Di ba ano pa yan? Serbia and Montenegro.
parang ganun. Baka Serbia and Montenegro pala.
Pwede rin naman.
Ah,
Kaya hanggang 2008 lang.
played the
2008,
bronze
nakiwalay
medal
na.
game every time? Every time? Sino tinalo ng US para sa bronze? Pucha.
Di ba Spain?
Hindi. France, Spain, or Serbia to. Wait. Sige, yun ang naisip ko, France.
Sige pare, okay lang. May feel. Choices natin pare.
Lagi ba sila nag-bronze? Nag-bronze medal game? Damn! Hindi ko man lang naisip sila sa bonus. Ay. Oh
5
well.
out of 8. Tama ba? Ay, 5 out of 8. Go, number 9.
2012, the most points scored in an Olympic game happened. The score was 156-73. This player scored 37 points, 13 of 16 from the field, and 10 of 12 from 3. Pre, kung di mo to alam,
Pare,
titigil na natin tong video na
Pare.
to.
pare. My boy. D'Angelo Russell. Hindi, joke lang.
Sige, pre, ikaw na
Carmelo
mag-confirm
Anthony,
this.
pare. Carmelo Anthony.
No. Sa London Olympics, Carmelo Anthony.
Yes, sir.
27. Yeah.
Number 10, USA won again against Spain in London 2012. ESPN named its All-Olympics first team. These were Manu Ginobili, LeBron James, Kevin Durant, and Paul Gasol. Paul Gasol.
Paul Shea.
Who was the other player whose country won the bronze? Clue. 5v5 monster and cool nickname.
Huh?
Cool.
2012.
Cool
Tinalo
nickname.
nila Spain.
Ice Tray, pare. Cool. Cool nickname.
Argentina ba yung nag-bronze? Hindi Argentina eh. Pati ko alam kung sino nag-bronze.
2012. May feeling ako na Argentina. Kasi may naalala akong bronze ang Argentina.
Sino dun? 5x5 Monster?
Monster. Hindi ko nasa Monstars to, pare.
Cool nickname. Cool nickname. Siguro hindi taga...
Hindi siya US or Spain kasi won bronze eh.
Lithuania.
France.
France.
Tony Parker. Anong nickname ni Tony Parker? TP.
Ano ba to? Grabe to send Come on.
Sino to? Big Z. Si Drew Nash.
Cool nickname. May naisip ka ba? Ako wala na naisip.
Wala, pare. Cool nickname. Cool cat yung bumasa sa utak ko, pare. Mike Cortez, cool cat. Final answer.
Si Scola?
Ano nickname ni Scola, pare? Luis.
Si Scola o si Delfino or si Nocioni.
Bro, walang 5x5 monster doon.
5x5 monster. Sabihin yun. Ba't may specifics na 5x5?
Sobrang hirap.
Wait. Gets. Anak ng... Nagpa 5x5 na stat line. Si Andrei Kirilenko, pare, AK-47. Yun. Sabi ko, ba't yung 5x5?
Akala ko 5v5 yun, bro.
Akala ko rin. Said, Ano nyo kami. Thank you sa clue. Galing. Next. The
Yung
US
original baril na nickname, pare. Ngayon si AR-15 na eh. Sige, go, pare. Number
The US
11.
won their 15th gold medal during the 2016 Olympics after defeating Serbia 96-66. Who was Serbia's leading scorer during the tournament? Clue, it was not Jokic. He mostly played in Europe, but he played for the Bucks for one season. Trey Kirby. Alam mo kung sino to, pero isusulat ko muna.
Sige. Serbia. Bro, sagutin mo na. Feeling ko wala. Maubos oras ko kakaisip nito.
Pwede ba banggitin ko na lang yung name? Hindi ko alam yung spelling eh.
Sige.
Actually, sentro din siya. Si Miroslav Radulica.
Ooh.
Yan! Kaya siya Trey Kirby kasi parang silang balbasarado.
Gets.
So, ilan na yung mali natin? Tatlo na yung mali natin.
Tatlo. Yeah. In Tokyo 2020, it was the first time that this country played in the Olympics.
Oh.
They had the player who was top 2 in points, top 1 in assists, and tied for top 2 in rebounds. Who is this young NBA superstar and what country does he play for?
Kung hindi natin makuha to, may kaibigan tayong tatagain tayo. Alam mo, pre? Ako,
Hindi pa.
may idea ako. Pre, tingnan mo lang. Who would be top 2 sa points, top 1 sa assist, and top 2 sa rebounds, considering yung global game?
Country, first time in the Olympics. Philippines ba to?
Pag binigay ko na yung country, alam mo na kung sino eh.
Talaga ba? Yanis.
Pero hindi nila first time yun. Nag-host sila nung 2004. Tsaka alam ko wala. Hindi nga ba sila? Wala ata sila ng 2020 Olympics.
NBA. Okay.
Patayin tayo ng isang kaibigan natin.
Get ko na.
Sino, pre?
Anthony Edwards. The joke lang.
Gago.
Luka Doncic, bro. Let's go.
Doncic for Slovenia.
Yes, sir. Umulit. Ay, hindi. Sige, pare. Number 13.
During Tokyo 2020, this player was tied top 2 in rebounds and top 1 in blocks. He even had more rebounds and blocks than the likes of Rudy Gobert and Bam Adebayo. Who was this player? Clue. Asian legend, rival of Gilas. Alam mo, pre?
Sana tama ako. Hamid Haddadi. Yes, sir.
Tama.
Who's your Haddadi now?
Nice. Next.
14. LeBron James will be the first men's basketball player who will be the U.S. flag bearer during the 2024 Paris Olympics. Don Staley and this other WNBA has been flag bearers before. Who is this legend? Clue, 4-time WNBA champion and historic 5-time Olympic gold medalist along with Diana Taurasi.
Hindi ako sure. Ang naisip ko si Sue Bird.
Dalawa yung pupasok sa isip ko.
Sino?
Subert tsaka Lisa Leslie, bro.
Ayun. Nabanggit na natin pareho. So, okay.
Number 15, the USA will be go pare, ikaw pala.
The USA will be vying for their 17th gold medal. They have won 16 gold medals. Name the 3 other countries which have won the gold. 2 out of the 3 countries are not countries anymore.
Serbia and Montenegro.
Ano yung bago siya?
Slovakia.
Hindi pre, buhay pa rin yung Slovakia.
Hindi, ano yun? Wait lang. Yugoslavia, sorry.
Ayun. So, isa yun. Ano pa?
Hindi na country ngayon. Atlantis.
Name muna natin yung pinaka-recent. Kanina lang. Yung?
Anong kanina lang?
Argentina.
Argentina. Okay.
Ano yung pangatlo?
Alam mo yung pangatlo?
Go
pare, sabihin mo na.
USSR kasi nandun si Sabonis. Yan.
Back in the USSR.
Yan. Alam ko nasa 1988 ata si Sabonis.
Yung tatay.
Kasi
kung ito pa rin pare, hindi ko alam Number 16. Which player has scored the most points in Olympic men's basketball history? Clue, he's not American nor European. Never played in the NBA.
Alam mo?
Hindi pa.
Sige.
Chito Loy.
Para mabilis. Sige, sabihin ko na. Oscar Schmidt from Brazil. Yan.
Oscar.
Ang all-time leading scorer.
Let's go, Oscar. 17, let's go.
The top 6 players with the most points in men's Olympic basketball are not Americans. Name as many of them. Clue. 1 was Black Mamba's running mate. 1 was a Spurs legend. 1 is still active now in the NBA. And this is sa kanila dinakdakan ni GN. Si GN.
Pare.
Okay. Sige, lista
pag di mo kilala yun, paano magagalit lahat ng viewers natin sa'yo?
Sorry, Gabe.
So, unahin na natin yun.
Luis Scola.
1 was Black Mamba's running mate. Tumakbo ba si Kobe sa politics?
Pau Gasol.
Spurs legend, Sosie Parker. Ginobili feeling ko. So, isa na lang. 1 still active now in the NBA with the Miami Heat.
Dali, ilan ba to? 6, di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba't 4 lang yung crew? Hindi, joke lang.
Nilomo me.
Hindi. Sige.
Yung isa mahirap masyado. Hindi rin alam ni Sid.
Si Schmidt
yung isa. Hindi rin alam ni Sid.
Si Schmidt yung isa. Nabanggit na si Schmidt. 1 is still active now.
In the NBA.
Nasa Miami. Patty Mills.
Di ba free agent si Patty Mills?
Tatanggapin ni Sid yan. Isa pa.
Okay.
Sobrang hirap.
Sinabi na niya isa.
The
one Andrew Gabe.
So, yung 5. Ito yung 5. Scola, Gasol, Ginobili.
Yep. Tama. Tama lahat except si Andrew Gaze kasi hindi na talaga natin makukuha yun. Hindi ko nga siya kilala eh. Sorry guys.
Uy, napanood ko na yan. Naglaro na siya dito sa Pilipinas na.
Sorry guys, di ko alam eh.
Pero tanda ko tinalo siya na ni Eric Mex.
Ooh. Number 18, who is the Olympics leading scorer in women's basketball with a total of 575 points? She's a 4-time Olympian, 3-time WNBA MVP, 2021 Basketball Hall of Fame inductee that led her country to 3 silver medals, 2000, 2004, and 2008, and 1 bronze medal in 2012. Clue, not North American, not European, not South American, and not Asian.
Ang dami. Hindi, alam ko na kung sino.
Lauren Jackson.
Yeah.
Australian. Hindi ko naisip Sorry, kasi akala ko African eh.
Salamat sa clue, Sid.
Kevin
Durant became the all-time leading scorer for the U.S. men's basketball team. But this women's basketball player has the most points for the USA. She competed in 4 Olympic Games, winning gold in each and scoring a total of 488 points. She's a 3-time MVP and 2-time WNBA champion. Who has the most points in USA Olympic basketball history? Alam mo na. Yung sinasabi mo kanina.
Lisa
Simpson. Lisa Leslie.
Lisa Soberano.
Okay. Yan. Lisa of Blackpink. Okay.
Number 20. Pau Gasol. Okay, last 5 questions na tayo. Pau Gasol is the second most total rebounds in Olympic men's history. This player has 1 more rebound than him. This player represented 2 countries, has 1 gold medal and 2 bronze medals. Was drafted in the NBA in 1986 but went to the NBA only in 1995. Oh. Okay.
Ayan.
Solid.
Tatay ng aking idol.
Walang tumama doon sa mga hula ko.
Ayan.
Sino yung sa Bulls? Yung nakaaway ni Pippen kasi naging the man. Sino yun sa the last
Kukoc, man.
Kukoc, pare. Akala ko si Kukoc,
Okay.
tapos kung kinuha mo yung jersey, akala ko si Divac.
Sige.
Oh,
Next,
number 21.
LeBron James has the most assists by US player in Olympic history, but he only places 9th in history. Which LeBron teammate has more total assists than him? Oh. This guy is top 5 with a total of 98 assists. LeBron teammate?
Wait lang, by a US player in Olympic history. US player.
LeBron teammate na ibang bansa.
US player, bro eh.
Not US eh. Si LeBron nga yung may most eh.
Sorry. Oo nga. Della Vedova.
Ang una kong naisip, baka nga Della Vedova. Or,
Tingin mo? Parang hindi siya assist man eh.
either Della Vedova or
Iisip ko yung mga point guard sa LeBron.
wala ka na kasi naisip na iba eh. Isa ko pa naisip si Carlos Arroyo, pero alam ko isang beses lang siya nag-Olympics eh. LeBron teammate. Lagi kasi nagka-qualify yung Australia eh. Pero,
Ricky Davis.
Ricky Rubio.
Darius Miles.
May naging kakampi ba siya ng Spanish?
Pare, hindi ba passing big si Zydrunas?
Lagi naman siya injured eh.
Natatawa naman. Drew Gooden.
Sasha Pavlovich pala eh. No? Di ba? Lakers. Yun lang talaga eh. Delhi nga. Tama ka siguro din. Galing mo.
Parang never ko
Hindi ka
siya
naisip
naisip as an assist person.
Hindi ko naisip si Della Vedova talaga. Damn. Okay. The Philippines participated in the first Olympic basketball tournament. Philippines won their first 3 games only to face the US in the 4th game. The Philippines won the rest of their games in the best finish by a men's Asian team in Olympic basketball history. What place did the Philippines finish? Alam mo, anong sagot mo?
Di ba ito yung champion sila?
Pa rin.
Di ba?
Hindi sila nag-champion
Ay,
pa.
third place ba? Third place.
Hindi ko alam kung nag-medal sila. Ang una ko kasi naisip, ang alam ko, maganda yung record nila, but for some reason, hindi sila nag-medal. Parang, ang naisip ko, 5th lang sila. Ayun, tama. Na sobrang nakakainis. Kasi, isa lang yung talo nila, tapos biglang 5th place. Parang, weird. Yun. Oh
How
my
many
gosh.
times has the Philippines played in the Olympics? Too many to mention.
36, 1940, 44, wala. 48.
Okay, sige guys. So habang si EU, binabalikan yung history natin bilang isang basketball nation. Kung alam nyo, i-comment nyo na sa comment section. Diba? Habang si EU, ayan, nagbibilang, nagkukubon siya ngayon, pare. Comment na kayo sa comment section kung alam niyo yung sagot.
Ang maximum, 8. Pero, feel ko, magbabawas ako ng isa. Hindi ko di sila nag-qualify sa isa or dalawa. Either 6 or 7. Kasi, 1936, 48, 36, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 8. Ano bang sabihin natin, buwasan natin isa. Kasi 7 yan. Kailan sila hindi nag-qualify? 64. Okay. Consider man tama yun. O sige, tama na yun. 7 times. Yeah.
Name one player from the most recent Philippine Olympic basketball team. Clue, may isang naging sikat na senator. Mga apo niya ay Green Archer at Fighting Maroon. Ayun, gets ko na agad yung clue ni Seth.
Sino pa bang nasa team na yun? Hindi ako sure.
Try naming iwasan yung clue ni Seth.
Si...
Hindi ba ito sinaga? Yun nga itatanong ko eh. Wala ba sina Loizaga? 1970.
Hindi ko nandun siya.
Chito o Kaloy?
Ayun lang.
O Diego?
Hindi ko si Kaloy nandyan. Ay, wala.
Parang walang kahit isang... Okay, so ito yung mga familiar. Si
Sorry po.
Donado. Danny Florencio is also familiar. Jimmy Mariano. The late Yoyong Martires. Manny Panero. And Freddie Webb. All the others, hindi ka kilala. Medyo familiar si June Papa pala. Bakit pa?
Si Dugs doon na... Okay. So, ilan yung...
Parang naka-5 tayo na mali. Tama ba?
Pwede na.
Lang.
Pwede na.
5 na lang ba?
Yun. So...
Yun guys, did you guys score better than us? Or may mga gusto pa ba kayong itanong or for us to answer in the next possible Olympic quiz, or perhaps just a random quiz, any quiz na gusto nyong sagutan namin, or any ideas for your next videos, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please click the notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa aming videos. Yun lang. Till next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Iyo, may sasabihin ka pa ba?
And kung gusto nyo kami naman yung kalabanin sa mga ganito,
ano
let us know. Ano?
Ano?